YEEZY Gap is finally here. We got the hoodies. I have the brown hoodie on right now. Let's unbox another colorway of the YEEZY Gap hoodie. Retail was only $90 on these YEEZY hoodies. I personally think they are worth buying. I'm going to explain why and show you guys the hoodies on, outside, and give you guys this full unboxing and review of the new YEEZY Gap hoodie. The perfect hoodie. We'll find out if it's truly the perfect hoodie. They do come all bagged up in a brown bag. Nice packaging. Something we don't ever get from a packaging of a hoodie, so that's really dope. It does peel off over here. You pull it. See what colorway I got. I did purchase most of the colorways. I should have went back and grabbed all of them. They weren't too hard to get. They did sell out. There's a little bit of resale. Woo! YEEZY hoodie time. We got the red. Now the red, not as vibrant as the pictures. The pictures do not do these hoodies justice. These are definitely hoodies you need to see in person. Very nice. Red is my favorite color. And then I have the brown on. I did also buy the black as well as the purple. I'm waiting for those to come in. Let me know what colorways you copped down below in the comments. So let's take a look at the YEEZY Gap hoodie. They do have the tag, just a standard tag with your size, with the barcode. But the only branding you see is on the tag. You have the YZY logo there on the tag, on the inside of the hoodie. That is it. Plain hoodie, all different colors, 6 different colors, called the perfect hoodie. The hoodie is heavy, extremely heavy for a hoodie. This hoodie is very warm, cozy. Here's the cuffs of the YEEZY hoodie. It is longer than your traditional cuff. And then the hood itself is actually very thin compared to the rest of the hoodie. So he made the hoodie big. It's kind of big itself, the hood itself. And then it's also thin, a lot thinner of a material compared to the rest of the hoodie. I do recommend wearing something underneath the hoodie because, as you guys will see in the B-roll at the end of the video when I try these things on outside, the hoodies are cropped. It is a cropped fit, so you do want to go ahead and wear something underneath. Sizing on the hoodies, I do recommend going true to size, unless if you want a bigger, baggier fit, then go up a size. If you want that natural, hoodie feeling, I'd say go to true to size because it is, as you guys can see, baggy nonetheless. This is an extra large. I usually wear an extra large in tees and hoodies. I went with an extra large in the YEEZY hoodie. It fits me very well. It is baggy. It is big, but it's that Kanye effect, that Kanye West wear that we all know and love. So Kanye, shout out to you. You definitely did it again. Kanye has been on a roll. YEEZY foam runners, YEEZY slides, YEEZY Gap. You've been on a roll, Kanye. You've done it again. The hoodie is double layered, so it's very thick, it's very cozy. Retail $90. I do think they're worth the $90 retail price point because you're paying for the brand and quality. It's that simple. You can go get a basic hoodie from anywhere else for a lot cheaper than $90, but we are paying for the name. Of course, we're paying for YEEZY Gap. $90 for a YEEZY garment, I'll take it. I think it's a great deal. This is a very dope hoodie, very wearable hoodie. I think the YEEZY Gap hoodie is really the perfect hoodie. I think Kanye did it again. I'm very excited for more YEEZY Gap collaborations in the future. Let me know what you guys think about the YEEZY Gap hoodie down below in the comments. I want to let you guys know about the giveaway going on for the Union 4s. All you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know your size in Union 4s. I'll be picking a winner in a few weeks here on the channel, so make sure you guys subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Good luck. The YEEZY Gap hoodie is straight fire. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.